What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some spam and beans. I'm not talking about ham and beans, the spam and beans. I almost knocked it over. So, before I knock something else over, we better get to getting, boys. So, let's get! That's right, baby. Spam and beans. And you're saying to yourself, like, I thought it was ham and beans, man. Well, let me tell you a little story. Today, I took the day off of work, which I still had to go in for like a couple hours because the water pipe broke and I was down there swimming in the basement. So, after I got that done, I thought, I want to have me a little lazy day. And I really ain't got too much cash on me either. So, let's look around the house and let's see something good that I can make with what I got. And what I got today is some spam, and I'm not talking about that stuff that you get in your email there, Tom Hanks. I'm talking about that stuff that you get in the can, kind of a ham product. What does it say here? Doesn't say much. And I guess that's the way they want to keep it, a little hush. So, we are going to go ahead and take our spam, take it out of the can, and we are going to cube it up into little slices. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I don't really like spam. It's kind of weird, and then it's the old cheapo food. Well, let me tell you something, buddy. You try this spam the way I'm going to cook it, you'll like it for the rest of your life. So, next thing that we need to do, get some beans. And I'm going to get you some pinto beans. And I'm not talking about that car either. I'm talking about the canned kind. Now, you got to be careful because you know what they say. Beans, the musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you be blowing the old butt trumpet like Sherman Clump's daddy. So, you gotta watch. Woo! I'm gonna be bad tonight, boy. I already know it and I'm ready too. Oh! Go ahead and, once you got your spam cut up, go ahead and put it in the crock pot. That's what we're using tonight. Make it easy, make it fast, set it and forget it. So, take your spam, throw it in that crock pot. We're going to take our beans, strained, put them in that crock pot too. Now, go ahead and get you some mixed vegetables. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I thought it was ham and beans. You didn't say anything about no vegetable. Well, I'm saying it to you now. And this is basically because I just already had these around. You don't really need to put them in there, but to me, I think it's going to add a little texture and a little flavor. So, put those in there. And then, speaking of flavor, what are we going to do, baby? What we do every time. Salt and pepper. So, start off with a little salt and just a dab of black pepper too. Now, I'm also going to go ahead and add some garlic in there, sir. Just enough to keep old Count Dracula's ass out my house. Halloween is about over. So, we are going to go ahead and put all that in there. Last thing that we need to do, give it a little drinky. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, you ain't got no drinky again. Well, like I said, man, I'm taking it easy today. Been sipping on some iced tea, laying around, watching TV, watching stuff like the Waltons and shit. Just mindless all day. I gotta love it. So, you take your chicken broth and you pour it in there. And you're saying to yourself, like, I want chicken broth. I thought this was a ham and bean. Well, let me tell you something. They ain't making no ham broth as far as I know. So, go ahead and put that chicken broth in there. It's going to give it a nice little stock and give it something to cook in. Now, we're going to go ahead and put that all in that crock pot just like I told you. Put that lid on there, baby. Put that thing on high. And because the spam and the vegetables and everything's, it's not going to take very long to cook. I'd say on high maybe about 2 hours or so. So, once you get that done, we will come back. We will have a sight. We will have a big, delicious, beautiful bite of this spam and beans and veggies tonight. What's up? Woo, woo, woo. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, baby, the time has come. The spam and beans are done. And I'm having that first bite. For me, so. Woo! It smells delicious. I just gotta tell you that right off the bat. And a taste to match. That's good. That ham flavor in there with that bean. And that chicken broth kind of giving it a nice salty, like man. That's a good hearty soup, and easy on the old wallet too. So, I want to thank all of you for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owen. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time, and enjoy that soup, buddy. Ooh!